Steve is dedicated to the school district of Amory.
Steve is a very hard worker. He's very reliable.
I would describe his efforts as sincere. He wants to do the job, but also do the job right.
There's just nothing he can't fix.
He is definitely the guy that will take care of all of that which needs to be taken care of each and every time. He's fantastic.
When I go to Steve, typically he's already one step ahead of me.
The product at the end always is stellar. I mean, he is just that guy.
In the other custodians in the buildings, he by far was their leader. And then after the unions all disbanded, he was still the one that the administration would go to.
You know, he's taken what he does to another level. I mean, I can talk to him about boiler reset schedules and VAVs and scheduling and things like that. I never asked him to do anything outside of his normal day, but he's right there wanting to do it.
Between the two of us, we felt that there was just nothing we couldn't do together.
When I walk into work in the morning, the doors just open because Steve is there for some reason and he presses the automatic open. And it happened again this morning, and it's just like magic. And Steve just gives me a sly smile, and off down the hallway he goes, and he always says the same thing: "You have a nice day." And if that's the way I'm going to start my day at work, I could do a lot worse than that.
Steve has decided to retire and go out on top at the end of this school year. So this recognition and award is greatly deserving. And I'd like to say I appreciate the time I was able to work with him, and everybody's going to miss him.
I owe thanks to all the staff in the intermediate school because it's the building I'm in. And, they make my job easy, I guess. It's an honor to be chosen. I was very proud that they thought that much of me,